Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am filming a Fashion Nova haul try-on video. I have a lot of clothes right here to show you guys, so I'm really excited to go through it and tell you everything I think about all these clothes. So if you want to see how I think about all these sets and clothes, then keep on watching. Fashion Nova is like my all-time favorite place to shop. I hate shopping in stores, so when it comes to online shopping, I'm so down for it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be showing you guys is the tennis court set right here. It's my absolute favorite that I've ever gotten on Fashion Nova. I got it in a size medium. It's so cute. It comes with these leggings and a long sleeve top with a hood. Love it. Top and bottom fit perfectly, so I 100% recommend this. The next thing I'm going to show you is the Bondoc number 2 lounge set. I don't know how to say that. It comes with a sports bra and leggings, and I also love this one. It's also in a size medium. I pretty much got everything in a size medium. The only thing about these is on me, the leggings I have to keep pulling up, which is pretty much with all my leggings, but if that bothers you, then I would not get this set, but other than that, it's so comfortable. Okay, the next set is called the One That Got Away matching set, and I got it in red. I don't know if there's other colors for it. It comes with the halter top, crop top, and also like matching leggings. So, the tea about this one is top fits perfectly, the bottoms fit perfectly. It's hard to get over your thighs, even though I literally don't have thighs. It still like wasn't stretching over my thighs, and once I got it, like it felt fine. But then every time you move, the band flips up. So this is what the band looks like right here, and it's not sewed down. So every time you move, that goes up. It's only sewed down in the corners. So that's super annoying, so I think I'm either going to return this or sew that myself down. But other than that, it's super soft, super comfy. Okay, next I'm going to talk about their jeans. That's what everyone raves about. I got the classic high-waist skinny jeans in dark. They're right here. The first time I ordered them, I got them in a size 7, and I tried them on, and I thought they were too tight. So I returned them and got a 9, and I was like, oh my god, they fit perfectly, and then I wore them throughout the day, and I had to hold them up. Like, I could not wear them. They were huge. So, I have the 9s right now, and I'm not returning them. It's so annoying, because I wish I didn't return the 7, because if I wore them throughout the day, they would have stretched out and fit me. Other than that, they're super comfortable, and definitely look at the size chart, because it is super accurate. And the jeans would have fit me if I just wore them throughout the day once. Okay, so the next thing is a shirt, well, bodysuit. It's called the Iris Choker bodysuit. Suit. It's really weird looking. Like, I can't hold it up. Like, you will not understand. I'll have a video of me wearing it, but you need like 4, no, I'm not kidding, 4, but like 2 to 3 people to like zipper the back up, because it's not stretchy at all. But once it's on, it's so nice. The only thing about this is, you know how like bodysuits have like 2 buttons on the bottom to clip? One of the buttons are broken. So I only have 1 button to clip it, which I think will be fine. I don't think it will like unbutton ever. But yeah, that was like kind of annoying. But the next thing I have is a shirt. It's called the Essential Bandeau. So it's just a bandeau. And it's super cute. I got this in a medium. Oh, and I also got that bodysuit in medium. Yeah, love it. It fits super nice, and yeah, that's all I have to say about this. The next thing is my all-time favorite thing I think I've bought here, except that set. It's called the Super Sassy Camo Graphic Top in the shade Olive, which is like army, and look at that. It's so cute. It comes with like a tie. The tie like hung down a little, so I like tied it again, and it is so cute. I love this. I got it in a large because I like it. I like t-shirts bigger. So recommend this. It's super soft. And okay, so the last thing I got was these yellow sunglasses. They are so cute. Yellow is my favorite color, so I had to get these, and they're so cute on. Yeah, that's the last thing I have for you guys. Okay guys, that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed this haul, and if you want me to do more, then like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and follow all my social media. It will be linked right down below. And yeah, I hope to see you in my next video.